remember this SQL syntax, okay, there will not be any problem. Okay, if you understood the process, how to generate SQL query, then it is good enough to work on this, like to fulfill your requirement, whatever as a Mulesoft developer, whatever you need from SQL part. If you understood the process, how to search the query and how to configure that query, that will be good enough. Okay, you don't need. Okay, is it same for everyone or only one person can't see my screen? Is there anyone who can see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
I'm also not able to see your screen.
Yeah, we can see.
a few people. Let me reshare. Okay, in that case, let me reshare. Okay, I started sharing screen again. So let me know if still you're facing same problem.
Yeah, now we can able to see.
Okay, so here, as I mentioned, like this key point you need to remember, even if you don't know any SQL query, but you understood the process, you will able to achieve your like task, whatever you will get as a Mulesoft developer. Okay, most of the time you need to work on this select query, insert query, delete query, and update query. Okay, a part of that, creation of table, creation of schema, all those things like very rarely you will get. Everyone on mute.
Yes, sir. You're on like Chrome or you're on
Yeah,
Notepad.
yeah, I'm on Chrome, Google
Yeah.
Chrome page. So as I mentioned, like most of the time you need to write this select, insert, delete, and update query. Table creation and all, generally DBA team will do. Very rarely you will get chance to create table and all. Okay. So DDL, database definition language, where you are creating table, then updating table, deleting table. Those kind of things should be done by DBA team. Okay. So as a Mulesoft developer, you will work on DML query manipulation, which you will play with records. You will not play with structure of table. You will only play with records. Okay. So that's why we will be more focused today. Also, we will do some practice on DML query only. Okay. And as I mentioned, whatever you want, just go on W3 School. This one is very good and easy to understand website. Okay. So here only you will get everything. So yesterday, based on this website, like we have seen many things. Okay. Now today, one important thing is there. I will explain. This you will get and like join you will get. Okay. Sometime you need to work on join also. This will help you to like minimize your like max. What I can say. Sometimes you need to retrieve data from two or more tables. Okay. If you will do select query for each table, then it will take lots of time. Then you need to like put many data in your RAM and all. So that will take lots of processing time also, and it will consume more space also. Okay. To avoid those kind of problem, what we can do, we can do query from 2-3 table at a time. Okay. So that can be possible using joins. Okay. So let's discuss what is join first. Let me see if they have given diagram and all. Otherwise, I will create. Yeah, they have given. Okay. So we have total 4 kind of join. Okay. This first one is inner join. Okay. To explain this in detail, let me connect with this device. Let's say we have two tables here. Okay, first table is student table. So in student table, we have registration number, we have role, then we have date of birth, and then we have okay. Let me do in different way. So we have one table this, and we have another table this. Okay. In this table we have customer, and this table we have order detail. In this table we have customer detail. This table we have order detail. So here we will have customer ID, okay, customer name, address, okay, and then order ID. In this table also we will have order ID, okay. Then we will have item list, total price, and then let's say we have address also. Okay, so now what I want, as per my requirement, I want for particular order. Let's say order ID is 101. So for this order ID 101, I want customer detail. Okay, I want customer ID, name, customer name. I want address. Okay, I want total price, item list, and order ID. Okay, this I want. Yeah, order ID is 101, but we want order ID also, let's say, or we can remove this order ID we are providing. Fine. Okay. Now, if I want this many information, so what I need to do? First, I want customer detail for this order ID. What will be my query? I want customer ID, name, address, order ID from this table where order ID equals to this. What will be my query?
Select.
Select.
Select star.
Select from custom.
Select star, sir.
Select from
Star. Okay.
Select
From customer.
where customer
From
ID equal to 1.
Where customer ID
customer
equal to 101.
where
customer ID equal
customer
to
ID
101.
instead of this, like this is fine, means there is no problem, but I can write this also.
For order
Select
ID.
where
Sir,
order
why
ID equals to
that for that 101? Why you have used that? It is not a string. It is just an integer. No.
well, we can take anything. Just means yeah, if you want a string, let's say this. Now fine. We assume like this is string value. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have to. Okay.
Yeah. Now we can write this like this also. Select
Star.
customer ID, name,
Name,
address,
address, order ID.
order ID from
From customer.
Customer.
customer,
Where order
Where
ID.
order ID equal to 101.
order ID equals to 101. Okay. So everyone clear with this, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
what additional thing I want? I want total price, item list also. Okay, I want item list and total price also. So to get this detail, so let's say from here I got this information. Customer ID 101, name, ABC, address, EQR, order ID 101. Customer ID, let's say customer 101. Okay. Now here we have order ID 101, item list A, comma, B, comma, C, like that. Total price we have 2000, and then address we have PQR. Okay. Now once we will write this query, so we will get customer 101 ABC PQR 101. But what additional thing we want? We want this also, total price and
Total
item
price,
list.
item price.
So what we need to do? We need to do again one more query. So what will be our second query?
Select. Select. Item list total price.
Select
Item list total price.
item list, comma, total price
From order.
from order
Where order ID equal to 101.
where order ID equals to 101. Okay. So what we did, we have written here two query. Okay. So we are writing here two query to get all this data. So after writing this query, we will get item list A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, and then total price equals to 2000. So after executing this query and this query, we got this data. Everyone clear with this or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, with the help of this join, okay, with the help of this join, we can get data from table 1 also, data from table 2 also. Okay. After writing that query, means after using this join, okay, we can get data from table 1 and table 2 in single query. Okay, so instead of writing two query, we can write one single query, and this will also give you same result. Okay, so practically also let's see practically if you want to see. This one is different account. Okay, otherwise let it be. I will explain here only. Practically, I need to create two more table, then that will take again lots of time. So what we can do this full join. Okay, so this will be syntax. So syntax. So our previous syntax, let me write previous syntax in this format and select customer ID, name, address, then order ID. Customer, where order ID equals to 101. Second query we had select item list and total price. Comma, total price from where so we are writing these two query and we are getting all those results. Okay, we are getting that order ID 101, then everyone go on mute. Everyone go on mute, please. ABC, you are. Everyone go on mute. Still, you are not in 01. A, comma, B, comma, C, comma. This is item list. And then last we add 1000. So using this, like we are getting this record. Instead of this, what we can do, we can here write all the column name, what all column we want. Okay, so this one I can simplify it more. Okay, just give me 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'm muting myself. I'm getting one urgent call. Give me 2-3 minutes. Okay. So what will be syntax here? So this will be a bit complex, but try to understand. Okay. Let me split into three part. Okay. So first thing you need to write here, select, we have this customer table. Okay. So from customer table, what all column we want? So from customer table, we want customer ID, customer dot customer ID, then customer name. So again, customer dot, then customer dot address, customer dot order ID. Okay. So we want this many column from customer table. What all column we want from order table? We want item list. So order dot item list, comma, order dot total price. So here what we are doing. So from which table, which column we want, so that we are writing here. So we want customer ID, name, address, and order ID from customer table. That's why customer dot is there. Okay. Same way from order table, we want item list and total price. That's why order dot item list, order dot total price is there. Then from which table? From customer table. Okay. We want from this customer table. And then we to okay, how we can get this value? So to get this value, we need to do join. Okay. So if you do full outer join, okay, if we do full outer join, then what it will do? It will fetch all the record from left side also and from right side also. Okay, I think in that case, select. Let me see if they are giving one. If they are aligned to test here, then it will be good. We are not aligned to test for this join part. For this, we need to do on. Okay. problem. So the main purpose of this full outer join. Okay. So here what we are doing, we are doing full outer join. So what full outer join will do, it will take all the column from left side also, left table also, and it will take all the column from right side also. Okay. So here you can see we are retrieving all the columns. Okay. Now which column we want from left table and which column we want from right table, you need to write it here. Okay, let's say we want customer ID, name, address, order ID from left table. So we are writing there customer dot customer dot customer dot customer. And we want item list and total price from right table, means order table. So that's why order dot item list and order dot total price. We have this. So first you need to write your left table. So from customer. Then you want to perform join with right table. So here you need to write first join, which join you want to do, full outer join. Okay, which table? Right table is order table. Okay, then on. So which, so we have these two table. Okay, we have these two table. Which field is common here in this two table? On basis of which column you want to do join. So here you can see order ID. Here also you can see order ID. This one is matching one here and here. So our condition will be order ID. So this is the condition of full outer join. So what we are doing, we are taking all the column from and right. Okay, you can see we have name, customer ID, address, order ID, item list, and total price. We have this four, and order ID and address are repeating here. So we are taking only these two from here. Okay. So this is the condition where we are doing full join. And from diagram also you can understand it very clearly. In full join, what we are doing, we are taking all the column from table 1, all the column from table 2, and we are taking all the common table also, common column also. What are the common column in this case? Can anyone tell me what are the common column here?
Address and order ID.
Yes. So we are taking all the, first we are taking common column, that is address and order ID. So we have address and order ID here. Address we have, order ID we have here. Okay, then what we want customer ID, name from left side, and we want item list and total price from right side. Okay, so we are taking customer ID and name from left side and order ID and price from right side. Okay, so in this way what we are doing full join. If you want to do left join, okay, so left join means all the column from left side and few column from right side, or you can say common column from right side. Okay, so we will have customer ID, name, address, order ID. Okay, but we will not have this item list and total price. Okay, from diagram you can understand this. This is the left join. In left join, what we do, all the columns from left table, but only common column from right table. Okay, what all the common column we have? That is order ID and address. Everyone go on mute. So address and order ID will be there, and all the column from left side will be there. Okay. Address and order ID. So this is the address. This one is address. Okay. So this is the common. this order ID and this order ID is common. Okay. So in case of left join, we will have this common column, and then we will have these two columns. Diagram is not working well. Fine, let it be. Hope everyone clear.
No, sir.
Not. No. So in case of left join, all the column from left will come, from right side will come. This is the order ID and this is the address. Okay. Order ID is here, common column, and address is here, common column. So in case of left join, all the column from left side will come and only common column from right side will come. That is left join. In case of right join, what will happen? All the column from right side will come. Okay. And then only common column from left side will come. Address and order ID. So this will be right join. Okay. Then we have inner join. Inner join means only common column will come. So common column we have here this, and here we have this and this. That will be inner join. Okay. And in case of full join, what will happen?
All columns.
All the column from left side, all the column from right side. That will be full join. And syntax is very straightforward. Syntax will be select, then all the columns name. Okay, what all column you want. Okay, if you need to know, like you are doing left join or right join, based on that you need to write column name here. Okay, and then from which table, like your left table, this will be your left table. Okay, this will be your left side table. Then you need to write join name. Will write full outer join, then what this function will do, it will find all the records from left hand side and from right hand side, and it will check what all columns are common column, it will merge that column. Okay, and it will display only columns what you want. Okay, if you want you can display all the column, if you want you can display only few column. Okay, so syntax will be select, then column name. For column name, you can put table name dot column name, since this query involved two table. Okay, so this column you want from which table, you can write column table name dot column name. Okay. From left table, then join name, and then right table name on. This is the keyword, on each keyword, and then you need to write matching condition. What will be your matching condition? Similar to where clause. So customer dot order ID equals to order dot order ID. So what we are matching here? We are checking here customer dot order ID equals to order dot order ID. Okay. Let's say we have here 2-3 record. Okay. So A, B, C, 102, E, Q, R, 103, X, Y, Z, 104. Here also we have 103. This one is X, Y, and then everyone go on mute. If you are not speaking, please go on mute. 104, 104, P, Q, and then Z 106 A, B, and then let's say we have this two record. Okay. Can anyone tell me if we will do left join, then what we will get? After
Customer
doing left join.
ID.
So in case of left join, we will get all the record from left hand side and only matching column from right hand side. Okay. So 101, this will match, this will match. So we will get
103, 104.
P, Q, R 104 and then this PQ. Then we will get X, Y, Z. This one is 103, 104, and then PQ. Oh, sorry. Oh, this one was X, Y. And this one is PQ.
Yeah, Ravi, in the query we did not like give any value. We didn't specify any value. Like one,
Which
whether it is
value?
a 101 or 102.
Yeah,
Hello.
we are giving them. We
After
are
that,
giving
Only
here
dot order.
custom order only.
Ravi,
We will check.
so which row it will select. Like here we are having multiple, right? Multiple records we are having. So
It will select only matching record where we have customer dot order ID equals to order dot order ID.
okay, like if we want only 101, like if order ID is called 101, like we have to give where condition.
Okay, that one actually, that one I will see. Okay, that I need to see how to customize that one. That one I will explain you later. Even I need to check. I need to run the query.
Okay.
This is the left join. Okay. In case of right join, what will happen? So in case of right join, all the column from right hand side will come 103 X, Y, C, and matching value from left hand side. So this 103 and then address R. So already 103 address R, it should be address R. So it's already there. Okay. And this is the case of full join, and this is the case of right join. So second right join, we have this 104 P, Q, Z. Okay. And we have all the column from this right hand side and matching column from left hand side. So matching AB, this Z and 104 address and order ID, which is already there, Z and 104. So this is the value of right join. Let me know if you are clear with this or not. And simply you can understand from this diagram. In case of full outer join, you will get all the value from left hand side, from right hand side. In case of right join, you will get all the value from right hand side and only matching value from left hand side. Okay. In case of left join, you will get all the value from left hand side and only matching value from right hand side. Only matching value. And in case of inner join, you will get only matching value from left and right. So this one, like syntax wise, if you are not getting at this moment, it's okay. It's means slowly you will understand, and very rarely you need you need to write query for this. Okay, my main objective is here to like help you to understand actually this concept exists in database. if you need to retrieve data from 2 or more table, okay, then you can perform join, and that will help you to minimize your query. Instead of writing 2 separate query, with the help of join, you can write single query and you can get data. Okay. So just go through recording again, okay? And still, if you will have doubt, then we will explain it tomorrow also.
Ravi, once come back to the syntax. The syntax.
Yeah.
Yeah, the from customers you write now. From customers.
From customer,
Yeah.
yes. This is the left table.
So can we write from orders also?
From, if you want to make, say, like theoretically, you want, if you want, you can make order as a left table. It's up to you. You want to treat order as a left table or customer as a left table.
So definitely we have to write the left table name from left table name. That's it.
I didn't get your this point.
No, the from means keyword, no?
From each keyword, yes.
Yeah. So you write
This is the
customers
left table.
because the customers is the left table.
Yes, correct, correct.
So which is left, whichever is left table, we have to write that table name only. Left table name
Yes,
fixed
correct.
there.
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay. And what is this meaning? Full outer join. Okay, it's okay. It is a keyword. From that, what is that meaning? Orders on customers. Order ID equal to what's that mean?
So we are comparing in customer table order ID with order table order ID. So when we are doing join, okay, we have to compare which basis we will do join. So we are doing comparison. Order.order ID equals to customer ID. So this particular record will be in join. This record has matching value, customer.order ID and order.order ID. So this will be also part of join.
Okay.
Okay. But for this first record, there is no matching value in right hand side. So this will not be part of join. Okay. This will not be part of join. This 106, do we have any in customer table? Do we have any order with 106? No. So this will also be not, like, it will not be part of join. So only this 2 record will be part of join.
But it is full outer join. No?
Full outer join will be based on this record. Okay. So we have matching condition. Now we have where clause. This on is nothing but it's a where
Full outer
clause.
join means if there is a common one, then it will join all.
Yeah, yeah,
So
Ravi,
here what we are doing.
hello.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah, full outer join or like what is orders? Like it is a right table name. This orders on.
Order. This is the syntax. On is syntax.
On is syntax, but that like before that on there is orders, right? These orders.
Right table
Which
name.
order?
So
This is the
after that
table.
full outer join, there
Right
is
table.
orders.
Yeah, yeah, that is right
This is
table
the,
name.
yes, yes, correct.
Okay, okay, Ravi.
At this moment, like, this will be complex part of database, okay, which you may need, okay, which is not mandatory, you may need, okay. Just try to understand at this moment, just try to understand the concept of this joining, okay. Slowly, once you will get more hands-on experience, you will understand this join also, okay. And later on, once we will do some POC and all, at that time, I will try to include one POC from join also, okay, when database connector. Is it okay? Okay, fine then. So for today, we are good. Okay, I will not take much. So let's connect tomorrow. I will do a small recap of this join again.